Ilka Höbermann and I'm color and trim designer at Opel. German design is for me, on the one hand, the simplicity, the pureness, and then the technical elements in combination. It is sometimes difficult to keep this pureness and then add the boldness. It's always all about the harmony and the right balance. The team developed a super fresh and modern yellow that adds some juiciness and boldness to the car. It makes it quite premium looking. And this is actually the same then in the interior, where you have the elegance. You have really a high diversity of different colors, textures, graphics, patterns. The all-new Astra has this dynamic look and a very self-confident personality. The strong accents and details, they can be just beautiful, they can have a functional aspect, they can even make you smile sometimes. This is a new Astra, all designed in Germany.
I'm Mariella Vogler, and I'm the chief engineer of the new Astra. Once you, as a team, are bold in your attitudes and decision-making, out of that character comes the right car. The iconic Pure panel paved our way to the future. We decided for very high-tech material, magnesium, and this gave to the whole component a completely different stiffness level. We did not make any compromises on the technology. We have put exactly our vision of futuristic technology, high-end, non-expected in a compact segment feature into the car. After going through the whole creative process of engineering and of designing, the car materialized. Without such a dedication, we would never have seen that moment. And what we saw is what we dreamed about. This is the new Opel Astra, developed in Germany.
My name is Michael Ewald. I'm the plant manager of the Rüsselsheim plant. In the center of everything is to manage my team, that we build cars which make our customer happy. For me, the biggest goal is that I build excellent quality. We changed all of our IT infrastructure to be able to work within the new systems from the Stellantis group. In addition, we had to flexibilize our entire production line. We run every car on the same line. We are now set up for the future, so we are able to build electrified vehicles. It's a fantastic car. It's really excellent design, and what I always like from every Opel, the drivetrain, the seats, and all the technique. I think we are not just electrifying our products, also my team is electrified to build the new cars in Rüsselsheim. It's one of our core models. It's designed in Rüsselsheim and it's built in Rüsselsheim. That is something my team and myself are very proud of. The new Astra, built in Rüsselsheim at the heart of Opel.